Welcome to the PAES Lab. This is the 14th PAES Lab training video. In this video, we will address how PAES assessment reports and evaluator observations are integrated with the transition planning process. We will also cover how you can use this information to write transition goals and objectives relating to the transition planning process. The PAES Lab is specifically designed to inform the transition planning process about employment potential and related instructional needs. Its simulated workplace environment is key in assessing aptitude for real-life workplace settings. When teachers sit down to draft transition goals for students, the information gained in the PAES Lab can help significantly. The first and primary PAES tool you can use to create effective transition goals is the PAES Performance Summary Report. This report features aptitude scores for the 5 component areas which correspond to a variety of employment options. We covered it in detail in video 10, the Performance Summary Report. It is constructed from an employee's assessment conducted during the lab. This report is integral to creating transition goals and objectives for employment. A student's aptitude scores suggest the level of support they will most likely need in community workplace settings, and whether the student is likely ready for competitive, semi-competitive, or supported employment. Each job an employee performs in the PAES Lab requires certain skills in order to be performed successfully. Each of these skills are used in identifying types of jobs in which students might excel in the real world. Look through the report to find jobs in which your students excelled and demonstrated strong interest. Do these jobs have overlapping skills? Are they in the same component? Job placement personnel can use the PAES report and your observations of the student to identify jobs in the community where the student can be successful. The second PAES tool you can use to draft transition goals for your students is the Workplace Soft Skills Inventory. As we discussed in video 8, the inventory checklist consists of 30 soft skills employers value in the workplace. While many of these are important in all jobs, a student's performance in each of these skills can be helpful in identifying what particular job they could perform in the community without their specific barriers to success becoming a problem. For instance, if a student had real trouble standing up for long periods of time, they might be more suited to a data entry type job at a desk. Additionally, a completed workplace soft skills inventory has both an initial and final rating. These two ratings show supervisors which soft skills employees improved on during their time at the lab. Remember also to use the Workplace Soft Skills Guidebook as a resource and refer to the Workplace Soft Skills inventory forms you made throughout the lab for more information. A set of sample transition objectives is provided at the end of your participant's guide. These objectives offer strategies that can be used to monitor student progress and achievement related to soft skills included in the PAES Workplace Skills Inventory. These examples also include basic functional daily living skills included in PAES jobs. Once you've reviewed these 3 tools for transition planning for an employee, collaborate with job placement staff and other stakeholders about the employee's potential and the kinds of real-world jobs where the employee might excel. Consider their functional job skills and interests, and their strengths and whatever barriers to success are reported on their Workplace Soft Skills Inventory. Then consider what appropriate transition objectives would likely enhance their success as they make the transition from school to the workplace. You should end up with several possible types of jobs and skills that will help you create meaningful transition goals and objectives. In the next and final video, we'll cover how to prep your lab for your first employees. Thanks.